Welcome back to Capitol Conservatives. Today we're covering a fiery Senate Judiciary moment as Senator Kennedy grilled Judge DeAndrea Gist Benjamin over controversial criminal cases. Don't forget to subscribe for more critical updates. So, here's where it gets intense. Senator Kennedy pressed Judge Benjamin about the Albertus Lewis case. Lewis allegedly shot his girlfriend in the head, a horrific crime. Judge Benjamin insisted, "He hasn't been convicted, I can't say for sure." After being granted bond, Lewis allegedly tried to kill two deputies using a baby as a shield. This sparked outrage and raised tough questions about judicial discretion and public safety.
Thank you, Senator Booker. Senator Kennedy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Judge, congratulations.
Thank you.
I want to try to understand the facts on some of these cases. The Albertus Lewis case. He shot his girlfriend in the head. Is that correct?
Senator, as I stated, I'm not sure if you were in here earlier, that case is still pending. He's not been convicted of any of those charges. And so I have to be really careful in how I frame my question.
Did he shoot his girlfriend in the head?
Senator, based on, those are the allegations of the charge, yes.
So you're saying he didn't shoot his girlfriend in the head?
He has not been convicted of anything, is my understanding. And I know it's a very old case, it's 2017.
Well, when you granted him bond, did you think he had shot his girlfriend in the head? He was charged with shooting his girlfriend in the head, wasn't he?
Thank you, Senator.
You're welcome.
Those are the allegations. When he initially appeared before me,
okay.
I denied his bond based on everything.
Let me start over. Okay. Mr. Lewis was charged and arrested, so presumably there was probable cause, with shooting his girlfriend in the head and putting her body in a wheelchair and dumping her outside the hospital. Those were the allegations. Is that right?
I believe those were the allegations, yes.
Okay. And you gave Mr. Lewis bond. Is that right?
No, that's incorrect, Senator. I denied his bond. When he appeared before me in July of 2017.
So you didn't give him bond? He didn't release him?
I denied his bond. It was 2 years
Did you ultimately release him?
2 years later, after the state violated the
Did you grant his bond? I'm just trying to understand the facts.
Yes, sir. 2 years later, after the
You granted his bond.
When he initially appeared before me, I denied the bond. It was 2 years after that I granted a bond.
Kennedy turned to Kelly Honeywell. Ein paar Bekranster. Bar darm wien. Adikanin one. A bakery worker allegedly murdered by Troy Stevenson. He pressed to know who granted bail in this case. Judge Benjamin clarified she didn't set the bond or handle the case directly. Kennedy's point was clear. Judicial decisions have real consequences, sometimes tragic ones.
You did grant the bond.
After the violation by the state of the court order to try his case and discovery rules.
And then he went out and tried to kill two sheriff's deputies while using a baby as a human shield, allegedly. Is that right?
Those are the allegations in the other case, yes.
Okay. Would he been able to do that if you hadn't let him go?
Thank you, Senator. When he appeared before me, I denied his bond. He appeared before me again, at which point.
And you let him go?
The state violated the order of the court,
but I'm just
and I set a sufficiently high
You let him
bond.
go. If you hadn't have let him go, then he could not have tried to kill two sheriff's deputies using a child as a human shield. Factually, is that correct?
I'm not sure, Senator.
Oh, I think you are. Let me ask you about Kelly Honeywell. You remember that name?
Senator, I did not have any involvement in that actual case, but I am familiar with what you're referring to.
Okay. You remember Troy Stevenson?
Yes.
All right. Troy Stevenson was arrested, allegedly, for shooting Kelly Honeywell, killing her, murdering her at a bake. Mr. Honeywell was arrested, and Mr. Honeywell allegedly was a member of a gang. He owned guns, and he did drugs. Okay. You granted Mr. Stevenson bail. Is that right?
I didn't. In that case, I did not set bail bond in that case when he was charged with murder.
You didn't let him go?
I did not set the bond on the murder charge.
Who did?
I don't know who's.
Then how did he get out of jail?
Are you asking about the murder charge?
Kennedy didn't back down. He went through multiple cases, questioning Judge Benjamin directly about convictions and whether her decisions led to future violence. Judge Benjamin stayed careful, citing pending cases. This segment highlights the tension between judicial caution and accountability, raising questions about public safety and trust. This debate is about how much discretion judges should have and when leniency risks public safety.
What I'm asking, and I think you know what I'm asking, Mr. Stevenson allegedly was arrested for shooting this bakery worker in the head, and he was granted bail. He was let out. You didn't grant the bail?
No, sir.
Who did?
My understanding is his bond was denied in that case on the murder case. Mr. Stevenson, I believe, after trial was found not guilty of those charges, but I did not set bond on the murder case. I did not try the case on the murder case. I did not set bond on the murder case.
Okay, I think I'm out of time. Thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Senator Kennedy pressed for answers, while Judge Benjamin stressed caution. These hearings matter. They impact real lives. Senator Kennedy's tough, fact-focused grilling of Judge DeAndrea Gist Benjamin raises real questions about accountability and public safety. Like, share, and subscribe to Capitol Conservatives for more updates, cutting through the noise with facts that matter. Stay informed, stay vigilant,